don't lose any of those birds. There you go. You guys can come on in. All right, as soon as this door is closed here, you guys can come on in. If you guys need to pass, just pass on the left-hand side. Oh, wow. Oh, hello there. I know. You like my cat. Watch your step as you walk inside.
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Mississippi Aquarium. My name is Marianne. I'm a biologist here at the aquarium. Which means I get to work with some pretty amazing animals, especially these little flying friends of ours. But I will ask that, so please stay very still and do not touch any of the birds. And if you guys do want to exit afterwards or just hang out, you're more than welcome to do both. But please make sure one set of those doors is only open at a time. We don't want both of them open because then our birds might have their own little spring break and not come back to us. But to start off, I do like to talk about our meat eaters. So these birds are actually from all over the world. But one of our favorite meat eaters, his name is Blueberry. He's staring me dead in the face right now. So they are from Africa. Ready? They are great flyers. They are bluebelly rollers. You can tell based on his coloration. So right now we are feeding them PQ. They do like these other types of bugs as well. Look. Good job, buddy. But another meat eater that we have is right over here. This is Azul. He is a red-billed hornbill. Do you want it? No? Okay, I'll get you the bugs later. But his name is Azul. Oh my goodness. There it is. Like I said, the babies are very excited for feed time. You're a boy and a girl. You're a good girl.
Wow, good girl.
You're a
Good girl. Wow.
so these guys are great flyers because if they're eating bugs, it could be a flying insect, so they have to be able to chase after it. Blueberry, ready? You're going to be lazy. You're going to let this hit the floor, I can tell. Yep, called it. Starling. We do have 5, so if you guys want to try to find all 5, you're more than welcome to do so. But we also have a superb starling who's sitting right up there. She looks very similar to the emerald, but she has a nice orange chest, so she is very different. And then we also have our perfect purple glossy starling who is flying around here somewhere, right over there on the roof next to those pigeons. But, so, they are from Africa, so there you go. And they are, you won't bother you, okay. But they are one of my favorites because they're little mohawks. When they get very excited, they'll raise it up and they'll start calling. So these guys are awesome. So this is our female. We do have a male. His name is Indy or Indigo. He usually likes to sit over there right behind y'all, but he's actually having himself a little feast over there in the corner. Wow. He has the bugs. I don't have the bugs. But besides those two, we already met our parakeets as they were flying around. But with them, we have our sun conures. There are the orange and yellow birds sitting right over there. They are all boys, so let's call them our bachelor boys. They are very common in the pet trade. Some of my other favorite birds in here are the ibis. So right over here, there are two different types of ibis. We have the white ibis, the white birds, and then we also have the scarlet ibis. And a lot of people will ask if they're flamingos. They are not flamingos. They are related, and so we have two nene geese. So usually that's to sit right over there. One's actually eating that plant right there. So we have two boys, they're brothers, and believe it or not, that is the most rarest goose you will ever see in the world. Because they are from Hawaii, so it's a pretty small landmass. And back in 1967, they were almost extinct. There's only about 30 or so left in the wild, but through conservation, we've been able to bring up the numbers to about 2,000 to 3,000 on the islands alone. So these guys are doing great. They are also part of an SSP. I know there's a lot going on here. But being part of the SSP, they just look at breeding and all of that. But I'm going to walk around with my friend Casey here. We're going to continue to feed these birds. But if you guys do have any questions, I am more than happy to answer any of them. And I'm sure Caroline, my friend over there, will happily answer those as well. But just remember, one set of doors open at a time. And I hope you guys do enjoy the rest of your day here at the aquarium.
Amazing and thank you. Wow. Oh, they're fighting. Wow.
Look at that big duck. Mommy. Look. Like a mohawk. Amazing.
At Siempre, I have my own hummingbirds in my surroundings, and this is in my porch. They are extremely beautiful and playful. Yeah, so that's all my hummingbirds. I usually saw at least 7 hummingbirds, and I also saw the smallest. I think it's their babies. So beautiful. I love birds. Sometimes they are so mean to each other. That's what I observe and notice to these amazing hummingbirds in my porch, in my surroundings. Their voice is so stunningly cute. Wow. Aba, grabe ang voice, right? Parang nabangga sa mga kadahunan.